Coach Rap here. Ako, 37 years old. Tuhod ko, 50 years old. Lower back ko, parang 65 years old. Ikaw, ganun ka rin ba? Well, here are the top 3 exercises you should be doing. First exercise is walking. Did you know that this exercise is the most underrated workout of all? Hindi lang siya isang form of cardio, but it also maintains mobility and keeps your joints healthy. Bigyan ko kayo ng tips para mapilitan kayong maglakad. Number 1, mag-park ka ng malayo sa establishment para wala ka ng kaagaw sa parking at para makapaglakad ka rin. Number 2, isabay mo yung ginagawa mo sa paglalakad. For example, nanonood ka ng TV sa bahay, maglakad-lakad ka. Or may kausap ka sa meeting, maglakad-lakad ka. Number 3, kapag may pupuntahan ka at alam mo namang malapit lang, huwag ka na mag-drive, maglakad ka na lang. Yung best part nito is pwede mo siyang gawin kahit saan at kahit anong oras. Second exercise, resistance training. Maaring may edad ka na, pero hindi hadlang to para hindi tayo mag-resistance training. In fact, mas importante ang resistance training habang tumatanda tayo. Kasi this ensures that our muscles will not deteriorate at magiging mas malakas pa tayo kahit tumanda na tayo. Usually, ang regimen na nare-recommend ko is to focus more on big muscle groups while using light weights or resistance bands. Kahit bodyweight exercise nga lang, sapat na. Last one is the balance exercise. Habang tumatanda kasi ang tao, yung stabilizer muscles talaga yung unang humihina. Usually, yung pwede mong gawin sa balance training is standing on one leg, heel-to-toe walks, or tai chi. You can practice this daily and makakatulong talaga to sa stability mo in the long run. Eventually, nasa sa'yo na kung i-add mo to sa exercise regimen mo. Pero kung gusto mo pa ring maging malakas, pagdating ng 50, 60, or 70 years old, idagdag mo na agad sa routine mo ang 3 exercise na to.